Given x squared divided by y plus 1 equals to z divided by 25. Make x the subject of the formula. Solution. So we have x squared divided by y plus 1 is equals to z divided by 25. So the first thing to do is to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? We have z. Okay, we can write x squared times 25 first. Then this will times this. We have z into bracket y plus 1. Now, x squared times 25 is 25x squared. Equals to what? We can expand this. This is zy. Z times y, that is zy. And z times 1 is z. So we want to find or want to make x the subject of the formula. In order to make x the subject, we need to remove this 25 first. That's close to x squared. So we divide both sides by 25. Dividing both sides by 25, we have zy plus z divided by 25. Now the next thing for us to do, 25 here 1, 25 here 1. We have x squared here. We need to remove the power, which is 2. So what are we going to do? We take the square root of both sides. This is equal to square root of zy plus z divided by 25. So square root of x squared, that's x. Then we have this to be square root of numerator divided by denominator. This is zy plus z, that's numerator, divided by denominator, square root of 25. So this implies that what? X equals to what? Square root of zy plus z divided by what? What's square root of 25? That is 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.